Hello and welcome. You're watching BizLab. This is Anupam Sharma. Well, today I'm going to talk about Hiranba Industries IPO, which is coming up on opening on 23rd of Feb and closing on 25th Feb. Per equity price is 626 rupees to 627 rupees. Okay, and one lot has 23 shares. So minimum is one lot which has 23 shares. Maximum is 13 lots. Okay. Also, the pesticides they actually manufacture chemicals which is used in pesticides, fertilizers, these kind of things. So, of course, it is related to agriculture. And as we all know that in this budget, agriculture has been given a lot of thrust, a lot of attention. Okay. So, if you look at in that way, then this can be a good IPO to buy. And also, not only for this year, but also for years which are coming. Okay, now somebody was asking me that looking at the farm laws, protests which is going on, and also will the government look at rolling back farm laws? So would that affect if suppose you buy this IPO? And then I would like to say that, even if the government rolls back farm laws, which is unlikely, but if suppose it does, so then also agriculture will continue, then also crops would be sown, then also farmers would use pesticides, and it has to be done. It's like you have to do this. You have to use pesticides. So that is not likely to affect this IPO, or if you invest in this IPO. So that is this question that is answered. Okay, so this company, if we talk about this company, it was incorporated in 1992. And as I said, it is one of the leading domestic producers of chemicals and pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, and pest control products. So not only pesticide, but also pest control products also. So in fact, we use a lot of pest control products in our house also. So it also produces that. Okay. Now it also operates in different verticals, like the domestic sales of technical exports, formulations export, manufacturing, selling of insect control chemicals. So in India, it has 8,600 dealers across 16 states and also outside the country. Okay, so this it's a well-established company, and you should, I think, look forward to buy this. If we talk about the company, it has done well. It is continuously growing. Okay, it is also making profits. So the IPO opens on February 23rd. It closes on February 25. One lot has 23 shares. If you have to buy one lot has 23 shares, and maximum is 13 lots that you can buy. That will be having 299 shares. Okay, and so one lot will be having around 14,000 something rupees. It's costing that much. And maximum lot is around 1,87,000 something. Okay, so if we look at other such companies, who are into this field, then if we look at their summary, like they are also are making good money. Okay, and also if suppose we talk about this company only, because this is the IPO. Its gray market projection is also, premium is up by already 25% ahead of the IPO. So should you subscribe? Well, most of the experts say yes. The company is trying to raise around 625 crores through the IPO, and because they are planning to expand. Analysts believe that considering the PE value on the upper end of the price band, the stock priced at pre-issue of PE is around 18.46. Okay. It's just an estimation before. Post issue, the stock is priced at the PE of 18.9. Okay, so now these are all projections. There haven't been any issues where the company has been involved in terms of missing some deadline or any dispute. There was one such dispute which is now resolved. So currently the company's balance sheet is clear. That's why they are coming up with this IPO. So most of the experts say subscribe. Most of the experts are giving subscribe rating. So you can go ahead and buy this. If you are planning to invest in rural and agri-industry area, this can be a good option. Because as I said earlier, that this is also in line with the budget. So far, the IPOs which have come in this year are in line with the budget. I mean, okay, so Grey Market has given a thumbs up to the issue. This is a wrap on this Hidamba Industries IPO. And do let me know if you want me to talk about some particular share or want me to analyze some particular share. I'll do that. Leave your comments below in the comment box. And also do share, subscribe, like my videos. And keep telling your friends that they should also subscribe to my channel, and also give me some feedback and suggest if you want me to change something in my video or add something in my video. This is Anupam Sharma saying bye-bye and take care and keep investing.